Hey everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to create a payment form in WordPress using an easy drag and drop plugin. No coding needed, whether you are selling products, collecting donations, or charging for services, this will make it super simple. Let's dive in. First of all, go to wordpress.com, log into your account. Once you're in, click plugins sections from left sidebar, then search for WP form, then hit enter, choose the first app from here. Now install and activate the free version, but to accept payments you will need the WForm Pro versions. It unlocks PayPal, Stripe and more. After activation, go to WP Forms, then add new, choose the template like billing or order form, or start from scratch if you prefer. Walk through, rename the form, add fields like name, email, multiple items, total amount field, payment field. You can drag and drop any fields you want, even set conditional logic for more advanced options. Now it's time to connect your payment method. Click payments and choose either PayPal or Stripe. For PayPal, enter your PayPal email. For Stripe, connect your Stripe account using API keys. Login. Set the currency, payment, description, and confirmation settings. Next, set up what happens after a payment is made. Go to settings, then confirmations. You can show a thank you message for or redirect to a custom page, then go to notifications to make sure you get an email every time someone submits the form. Now once your form is ready, go to any page or post and click the add WP form or create a new page. Click add page, name it payment form, search for payment, and add it. You can upload product, media library, or describe your item in a few words. Then choose price, enter your PayPal, email, or Stripe, and that's it. Select your form, publish the page, and you are done. You now have a working payment form live on your website. And that's how you create a payment form in WordPress. It's super easy and powerful. You can add payment buttons, then donation forms like that, paid content, and when you're done, click publish, then again publish, and you are good to go. So that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you are building next. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.